Gilmour Impulse Sprinkler Adjustment Instructions. The Gilmour Impulse sprinkler system is designed to help keep your grass adequately hydrated. The Impulse sprinkler features a durable metal head and a spray system that can cover up to 5,800 square feet. Adjust the sprinkler's rotation, distance and spray to customize its settings. Adjustments are made by hand. Connect a water supply to the Gilmour Impulse sprinkler by screwing the end of a water line or hose onto the input on the side of the sprinkler. Turning on the water source will automatically cause the sprinkler to begin dispersing water using the settings to which it is currently set. Take note of what you want to change and turn off the water supply. Push the rotation control lever into the down position to begin changing the rotation of the sprinkler. You will see two red rings with a piece sticking up indicating the end of the rotation. Turn these rings until the pieces are lined up with where you want the sprinkler to stop and turn back. If you flip the lever into the up position, the sprinkler will make a complete circle. Grasp the distance deflector, located on top of the sprinkler head, with 2 fingers. Pulling up on the deflector will create a large hole for the water and cause the stream to go farther. Pushing down on the deflector will cause the stream to spray closer to the sprinkler. Do not press the deflector down flush with the sprinkler head. Turn the spray controller red screw located on one side of the sprinkler head with your fingers to adjust the type of spray that will be coming out of the sprinkler. Turning it all the way to the left will open it up and produce a solid stream, while turning it to the right will create a mist of water.